This one technique could make you more money on eBay. Hey guys, Ken here. On today's video, I want to share with you a technique that I just learned where you can actually refresh your entire eBay store to where the algorithm will start showing your listings to more people and hopefully you make more sales. So I'm going to take you right inside my computer. I'm going to show you how to do it. It only takes a couple of minutes. It's really easy, and we're going to go there right now. Okay guys, now we're inside my computer. And the first thing you want to do is go to your Seller Hub page. Now, if you're not hooked into Seller Hub on eBay, you need to do that. Just go on YouTube. There's plenty of videos on there that'll show you how to get hooked in. And we're on our Seller Hub page, and I'm just going to scroll down a little bit to where it says Actions right here. And we're just going to click on that. And that's going to select all our listings. Okay, now if there's individual ones you want to select, you can do that. But in this case, to refresh the store, which is what we're doing, we're going to select all 714 of my listings. Then we're just going to come over here to edit, and we're going to click on edit all 714 listings. What that's going to do is it's going to begin processing those listings. And what you're actually doing is telling the eBay algorithm that you want to sell more, so it's going to give you a little more boost in the search. But we're going to come over here to the top left, and we're going to click on this little box in the top left. And again, it's going to select all my listings that are available. And we're going to come down here to the blue button where it says Submit Changes. Click on that. So we're just going to click on Confirm and Submit. And that's just going to take a minute to process. So what do you think of my new software? It's OBS Studio. It's pretty cool. I get to do picture-in-picture. Awesome. Okay. And it's still processing. It says it might take a few minutes, but usually it doesn't take that long. And we'll just move right along. There it is. It's starting to process. Don't worry about going to fix errors or anything like that. Just click on OK. And there you go. We're done. It's that simple, guys. Now, you know, it used to be years ago that you had to call into eBay to have them do this. Well, now you can do it right from your own desktop. So it's real easy to do. And, you know, I'm glad I learned it because every time I do this, guys, no joke, I make extra sales. Every time. So will that happen with you? I don't know. I can't predict the future, but it's proven to be pretty good results with me so far. So I hope you got a lot out of that. Hope that has helped you learn a simple technique where you can boost your store and tell the algorithm that you want to sell more, so it'll show your listings a little bit more often to prospective buyers. Okay, listen, I gotta go, but you guys have a great day. If you got anything out of this video at all, make sure you smash that like button because it really helps the channel. Okay, and I guess that's it for now, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.